Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Buy a chrome bike, they said. You'll have fun with it, they said. Except from cleaning it every time it rains. I actually enjoy cleaning my bike. One of those few sick, twisted individuals that find a lot of therapeutic value with polishing all the chrome on my bike. I was actually thinking about this morning, I'm like, hey, maybe I should open up my own motorcycle detailing business. Because I know most people hate it, but for me, I like my stuff to look nice and shiny and pretty. Damn puddles, get my shit all dirty. I know. So currently I'm heading over to the dealership. Silver Bullet needs a part replaced. The oil pressure sensor, I guess, is acting up, so figured go get that fixed under warranty. Go HD in their warranty. 70% chance of rain today, so hopefully I can get over there and back before it starts dumping all over me. This is a prep weekend. We have the Bring It Home ride next weekend. Going with Dig, the Hound, and Dirty D's. Gonna be heading up there Friday. Coming back on the Sunday. Very much looking forward to it. Should be good times. Not really looking forward to the destination. I'm just looking forward to the trip. This will be our first overnight ride as a group. So that's gonna be pretty awesome. Don't you do it! I cut you. Anyways, let's get on with it. Guten Tag, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross-Racing. And I'm coming to you from the Texas Hill Country on another kind of halfway glorious day. It's kind of looking nice out that direction. It's supposed to rain most of the day, but for right now, it's not. So fingers crossed, at least to get me to the dealership and back. Thought I'd take this time to shoot a little video. Little short, clip it, little snippet. One thing I've been doing lately is kind of watching. I guess there's a lot of other YouTubers out there that I was unaware of. With my limited amount of time to watch YouTube and my ever-so-present ADD that I can barely sit there and watch for more than a couple minutes. I haven't ventured out more, much on the YouTubers past some of the big names. Blockhead, Shade Street Surgeon, John Maxwell, Biking Bird, etc., etc. But like I'm coming to find out, there's a whole little family out there of lesser known YouTubers that are putting out some pretty good content. So my boy Dig, oh, this is gonna suck. Ugh. Whatever. Anyways, my boy Dig tipped me off to some of these other YouTubers out there, and so I've been checking out their content, checking out their sites, and liking what I'm seeing. Pretty awesome. Come on, dude, you don't gotta slow down that fucking much. Douche rockets. Sometimes, ever just ride around your motorcycle, and by the end of the day, you just want to like line up everybody in a cage and just run down the row and just slap the shit out of them. Yeah, that's the way I feel. Pretty much every day. Everybody needs a hug to the face with a chair. Well, shouldn't bitch too much. Like I said, knock on wood, it is not raining right this second. I can get there, here, and back without getting rained on. Enough about that. Enough of the belly aching. The endless whining about washing my bike. Shut up. Nobody wants to hear about it. This is a whining. Oh yeah, this entrance is always just lovely. Wait, what is this in? Off-road? Blah, blah, blah. Look at all that. What are you doing? Well, folks, so far we got in and out of the dealership, and it's not pouring on me yet, so that's a good thing. Being on the bike, though, it's like, I don't want to stop. Just want to keep riding today. But today is a prep day. I have to get all my shiitake in order. Damn it. Damn it. It is what it is. I need to start riding to work more. Maybe if I commuted on the bike a little bit more, even with the shitty San Antonio traffic, I wouldn't feel jonesing so much on the weekend. It's like a crackhead, gotta get my fix. My two-wheel fix. Hey, look at that, it's a bolt. Uh-oh, Spinkles! No! Damn you! Damn you all to heck! You burned it all up! Damn you! Maybe if I ride fast, it won't get me. This is just a little bit of spittle. God spittle on me. Well, as always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this slightly entertaining video. If you like this video, go ahead and press that like button. If you have not already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.